What is best for very sparse brows? Well, what I would say to you is if they're really sparse and you want to keep them looking really lovely and natural, then I would go for a powder brow. And it's a really good introduction just to get a splash of color in there. You don't want them to look too artificial. You just want to look like you've got brows without your brows walking in the room. However, if you're younger, you will have a more saturated look for sparse brows. You could have microblading, but if you're younger, I think you'll probably find that you'll want a more full-on, darker, more solid brow. So again, you would go for a powder brow, but you can have it, the saturation differs. You can have it more intense or a lot more subtle. So for the sparse brow, I would say go for a powder brow. Again, find your artist. So look online, find somebody whose work you love, see a few photos of theirs, see if there's a common pattern or a technique that they're applying, and then that could be the person for you. Hope this helps. Ciao.